But the biggest challenges with a 1031 are, you've got parameters, right, around what you can 1031 into. There's a time limit that ties into that.
What has been your biggest frustration with the capital gains tax and a 1031 that you guys?
Well, I think 1031s are primarily used for people doing fix and flips, single family rentals. That's the predominance of where they are. I think in the, realm, once, you get into accredited investors looking at, bigger things. I mean, unless an owner has a complete, they own a commercial warehouse or something like that, they might be looking to 1031. But the biggest challenges with a 1031 are, you've got parameters, right, around what you can 1031 into. There's a time limit that ties into that. There's limits on what that next asset is that you're going to actually purchase. So it could potentially force you into making a poor investment decision just because you want that 1031 so bad. And you're like, well, I'm going to go buy this opportunity, but really it doesn't fit my strike zone. So, I think there's definitely some limitations there.
Awesome. Yeah. And that is, I mean, you mentioned the DST, Deferred Sales Trust, not to be confused with the Delaware Statutory Trust, which is basically a 1031 into a REIT. But the Deferred Sales Trust, eliminates a lot of those parameters, and it's phenomenal for any asset, not just real estate. It can work for Bitcoin. It can work for, any crypto or a business or a stock or a primary home. So that's an awesome strategy to use in conjunction, because you can also turn around and you can, once it's sold, you can go into things like buy life insurance and get into the infinite banking and all that kind of stuff. So it's a phenomenal strategy.